AI is writing code. AI is detecting threats. AI is even responding to cyber attacks automatically.
So here's the big question everyone keeps asking. Will AI replace cybersecurity jobs? Today, we're breaking this down honestly. No fear, no hype, just reality. Perfect. And to do that, I'm joined by Adekunle Bello, a cybersecurity professional with real-world experience in defending systems, not just talking about them. Thanks for all inviting me. Thanks for having me. This is an important conversation and honestly, a misunderstood one. Let's start here. Why are so many cybersecurity professionals suddenly worried about AI? Things that used to require humans. Today, AI can detect anomalies in network traffic, analyze millions of logs in seconds, identify malware patterns faster than humans, and automatically respond to known threats. So when people see that, the fear is natural, right? It feels like AI is already doing the job. But what most people miss is what AI is actually good at versus what cybersecurity really requires. We're diving into what AI can replace. Imagine mundane tasks like data entry or even basic customer service inquiries. AI's got it covered. Let's be direct. Which cybersecurity tasks will AI replace? AI will absolutely replace repetitive, predictable, rule-based tasks. For example, log monitoring, signature-based threat detection, alert triage, and basic vulnerability scanning are essential processes. That's the strength. These tasks are perfect for automation. So entry-level, manual-heavy roles are at risk? Yes, especially roles that only involve watching dashboards and reacting to alerts without deeper analysis.
AI doesn't get tired, miss patterns, or need coffee. AI doesn't get tired. AI doesn't need coffee.
Hey, let's dive into what AI cannot replace. The human touch, creativity, and emotional intelligence that make us uniquely powerful, I guess. Now, this is where the conversation changes. What can't AI replace in cybersecurity? And the over there. A lot. And this is the part people underestimate. Cannot fully replace security architecture design, threat modeling, and risk assessment. Cybersecurity isn't just about detecting threats. It's about deciding what matters most, what to protect first.
And how much risk is acceptable. And those decisions are contextual.
Exactly. AI doesn't understand business priorities, legal implications, or human behavior the way people do.